So here in this presentation we will see the reproductive organs of Riccia. Male reproductive organ is known as Anteridium and female reproductive organ is known as Archegonium. This is the sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is done by producing spores, and these spores are formed in the sporangium. So first we see the structure of Anteridium. This is the structure of Anteridium. This Anteridium is present inside a cavity called antheridial chamber, which opens outside by antheridial pore. The antheridial chamber, in antheridial chamber there is one antheridium, and this antheridium is covered by a single layered jacket cell. Then at the lower side there is small stalk is there for attachment, and inside this antheridium number of androcytes are present, which later on develop into a biflagellate anthrozoids. When these anthrozoids are mature, the jacket layer will dissolve and these anthrozoids are come out from the antheridium and swim in the water, and they are ready to fertilize the archegonium. Then we see the structure of archegonium. This is female gametophyte. This is the diagram of archegonium. Here you will see this flask shaped structure is known as archegonium. There are two parts, ventral region and neck region. At the neck region there are 3 to 4 cells known as neck canal cells. Then ventral canal cell is present, and below side the egg cell is there, and here one female gametophyte or egg nucleus is present in the ventral region. When the anthrozoids swim in the water, it will firstly deposited on these cover cells. These cover cells become somewhat loose, and they forms a passage through which these anthrozoids go inside the archegonium. Through the neck canal cells, this anthrozoid, that is male gamete or male nucleus, is passes towards the ventral region, and here the fertilization takes place. That means male nucleus fuses with the female nucleus in the ventral region. So this is the archegonium. After fertilization, in the place of this venter, sporangium, that is sporogonium, is formed. Here we see the structure of sporophyte or sporogonium. This is the diagram for sporogonium. Here foot and seta is absent in Riccia, while in other bryophytes foot, seta is present with capsule. Here only capsule is present and foot, seta is absent. Here you see the neck region at the upper side, then calyptra, that is it is for protection, 2 to 3 layered thick, and it protects inside the spores present, and these are the spore tetrads. The sporophyte is embedded in the tissue of the thallus. It is present in the ventral region of fertilized archegonium. Sporophyte is represented only by the capsule, foot and seta is absent. Young capsule has a jacket layer and 2 layered calyptra derived from venter. The mature sporophyte has spore tetrads arranged tetrahedrally. These remain surrounded by calyptra. The spores are discharged only after the disintegration of the thallus. Each spore has outer wall layer known as exine, inner wall layer known as intine, then in the middle nucleus is there with cytoplasm. So by breaking the calyptra region, these spores are come out and then swim in the water, and then they germinate to form a new thallus of Riccia. In this way, there is alternation of generation from gametophyte to sporophyte. First, the male reproductive organ, that is antheridium, then archegonium, is formed at the mid dorsal groove black spots are seen from outside. When we take the section passing through these black spots, we are able to see these sexual organs, that is Anteridium or Orchigonium or Sporogonium. So this is about the sexual reproduction. Then alternation of generation is from Gametophyte to Sporophyte, and again from Sporophyte to Gametophyte. So this is the classification of Riccia with regions.